How to fix login errors on the GrubHub app. If you want to fix the login errors you are facing on the GrubHub app, login errors could be happening due to many reasons. First, we want to make sure it's not the issue with our Wi-Fi or internet connection, so make sure your internet is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can also try to switch to cellular data. Now after that, you can simply open settings, especially on your Android device, from where you can simply go to the option called apps. From the apps section in the search bar, you can simply type in GrubHub right here. And once you type in GrubHub, you can simply scroll down, then go tap on storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. Now you can also go to your respective Play Store or your App Store, check if the GrubHub app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If you're still not being able to log in, then chances are basically that your login details are incorrect or you have not yet signed up on GrubHub. So you can tap on the sign in option from the very bottom of the screen. Then you can simply make sure to enter the email address. It will send a verification code or the login link to sign in with your GrubHub account. But if you have already linked your account with Facebook, Amazon, or Google, then you can also choose to log in with those. And once you do this, you should be able to log in to your GrubHub account. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.